YouTube, man, with the dealers, boy. We back after a long ass break, man. We back, man. Headed to Smoothie King. My first time trying Smoothie King, y'all. I don't know. This is my first time ever trying Smoothie King.
What kind of flavors you looking for?
I don't know. I look at what's trying to y'all bowls.
The bowls?
Well, yeah, what's the best bowl that you
The
got?
best one's the PB Switzer.
PB
I
Switzer?
love them.
Okay. Alright, well then, that's what we don't get, the PB Switzer. That was. Hold on, y'all. Let me pay for this. Let's see, y'all. We got the bowl. Let's see, y'all. I paid $14 for this joker. Really hope this shit is worth it, you feel me? I'm trying to find more healthier shit to eat, you feel me? Because the same shit starting to get boring, so yeah, but I'm recording with my phone camera right now because, you know what I'm saying, I ordered some shit from my actual camera, you know what I'm saying? So when I get back home, I'll be able to switch to some camera footage. But yeah, it's the start of a new vlog, you feel me? It's my birthday week. My birthday is on Wednesday. It's Monday right now, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna vlog this whole experience, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, because you know that shit's gonna come back to back, because we back, baby. We is back. School! We back at the crib, man. Back at the crib. And I just want to show y'all what I got. I told y'all that I had got a couple things for, you know, the camera. So, and it is here. It has arrived. We'll start with the big box. So, okay.
They didn't say Coco, man. So he said Coco.
Alright, y'all. So I know y'all been seeing this on TikTok and stuff. This is the viral wide angle lens conversion thing. And we finna see, you know what I'm saying? We finna see if it makes a difference. What is this? Oh, and then this. I don't need a camera for this purpose. Alright, so I got some little extra batteries, you feel me? I got two extra batteries and then battery charger. Feel me? Cause this just not the battery on this is not good at all. So I had to get some, and this with a little charger or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Next box. What else did I get? I don't even remember. Oh, the tripod. So, this right here. Yeah, got a new tripod. Feel me? One thing I like about this is it comes with a little cold shoe mount on the side. So it's like right here at the top, I can have my microphone, and then right here on the side, if I need to, I can put like a little light or something right there. You know what I'm saying? It's cold. What else came with this? Oh, the little phone grip thing, if I want to use it with my phone. And this stuff right here is literally just for my iPad that I just bought for school and also to edit content. You feel me? Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Where is missing something?
What you missing?
Bro, where's the ring? Alright, y'all, so you feel me, we got everything set up, you feel me. I just wanted to show y'all like the before, you feel me, without the wide angle lens thing on there. I did not get the right adapter. Not even that, they did not send it to me, so that kind of blew me, bro. Like, I was, bro. But as y'all can see, bro, I got this little thing right here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that is what came with the kit. And the reason you're supposed to get another one is because this is literally like, it's stuck on there with adhesive. Like, it doesn't screw on or anything like that, so obviously that's not secure enough. You know what I'm saying? This is how it look. You feel me? There's a whole bunch of shit on the bed. Don't even worry about that. You got a robe and everything else, but yeah, this is how this shit look. You feel me? All together. Like I said, I literally just ordered a new mic and a light to go right here on this cold shoe. Ordered a new mic because I don't like this. Like, it's good quality mic, you feel me, but I just don't like I don't like it, but so I'm finna show y'all. This is the before, you feel me. I extended it outward, and this is low-key like good. This is like the standard for vlogging, I guess. Come on now, focus. This is the standard for like vlogging, I guess, but I like my stuff like wide, so we gonna put this lens on there, and I'm finna show y'all how it look, you feel me. Alright, so this is the before. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, and this is the after. So I don't know if y'all could tell, but it is a little bit wider, you feel me. And I low-key just, I like the way this shit look with the wide angle lens thing on there, you feel me. I don't know, y'all, the dog is dying. Alright, so make sure y'all keep this picture in your mind, you feel me, because I'm about to take the lens off. So here we go. Here we go. Y'all see how close it got? Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this for the time being, but I just went through Amazon, got my little refund, and I'm about to get a whole new one, you feel me. Order another adapter for this lens. I'm about to run to Walmart and make sure I bring y'all along with me. So yeah, you got anything else? You got anything you want to say? You got anything you want to say, sir? 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 You got anything you want to say? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. I'll be right back. Made it, sir. Walmart. I got a new board, you feel me? Cannot get these ones wet. Bro, yeah. We here. We at fucking Walmart and shit. Finna see if I can find what I need to find. Hopefully, it don't take me all goddamn day. And hopefully, they ain't playing no more music up in here. Damn, I gotta blur all that out. Ooh. Huh? Like, I'm gonna grab my son some bananas too, cause you know he loves bananas. So I gotta hurry up and use this motherfucker, cause they gonna inactivate my card if I don't use it. So we gonna try hurry up and get this together real quick. Excuse me. Let's see. One thing of bananas. Try again. 2 things of bananas. Alright, gang. So next, what else do we gotta do? Shit, man. Oh yeah, I can couple shits, but okay. So my mother-in-law, she wants me to grab some fabric softener, and I had to grab me some, you know what I'm saying, some essentials, some fucking drawers, socks. You know, it's that time. It's time to re-up and shit. Quick little whoop to walk the bang. What did she say? She said fabric softener. Go this way. Let's go this way. So I'm gonna be looking for the shit. Looking for the fabric softener. What? Hold on. Finna text the group chat real quick. While they trying to figure that out, I'm finna go look for what I need to look for. You know, stand in one spot. So come on. I'm finna go over to the men's section. Grab me some motherfucking drawers. We might have to keep it pushing, keep it moving, come down here, cause yeah, I ain't with that. I ain't with those. These are cotton. Okay, now we talking. These are cotton right here. These are cotton right here. Y'all not getting cotton, you feel me? Underwear, you a stud, masculine, presenting, whatever you want to call yourself, bro. You're not getting cotton shit. It's okay, like I get it, right? You want to be cool, you want to buy the ethnicas and shit, but that ain't good for your area, bro. You need some cotton. Let them off breathe, alright? Heard it from me first. We got some crew necks. I don't know if I want to get these, or should I get like the multi-pack? Like these, hold on. That's extra large, large. Damn, for y'all bogus. I like to get the multi-packs. Like these. But this one open. So might just be out of luck when it comes to that, because I can go to the other side and check real quick. What's this? These. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side and check real quick. Let's go. Oh, I need some socks too. We got boys' ankles. 10 pair, 3 to 9. Large. Shoe size 3 to 9. Look how cool these. Should be cool these. We up on the socks, you feel me? Alright, let's go see if they got some t-shirts, and then we can go. Okay. They do. They got some on this side. Okay, so let's see. Get this large 6-pack. I think I'm gonna go with. Hold on. I don't know. crew neck tees, mediums, multicolor. Yeah. Go get shit that she need. Then we finna go get some what's it called? We finna go get some tacos. And I'm finna be in the house for the rest of the day. Well, I low-key think I need to go back over there too, cause I need some shit to wash with too, y'all. So she said some dryer sheets. I don't know which one she usually get. You can grab these. Bounce. $4. I feel like you can't go wrong with Bounce. Let's see what else. I don't even know what type of freaking fabric softener she uses. Hold on. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep these, y'all. You feel me? Just keep it pushing. We're about to head to checkouts. Got the what? Hold on. Since when did native become $10 fucking? Yeah, shit fire. Let's see. What else we got? Got the cider. Shit. Yeah, I don't like that one. Nice. Okay. I see what they tried to do there. I don't know about that. Let's look at this one. I think that's the one of y'all. Oh my goodness, bro. All these bitches look open, man. They look bad. We're gonna go with this one right here, y'all. This sandalwood and vetiver. Yeah. I don't know if I just said that right. Oh shit. I did say I was gonna look at the Old Spice shit too. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Got this one. Ooh. This one though. This one is a hit. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with that one. Alright, so let's keep it pushing, because the last time I came here they didn't have what I was looking for. I'm over here in the skincare section now. Definitely didn't have what I was looking for last time I came, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we hitting somewhere. We still L'ing, bro. Still an L. That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn, Walmart. Deodorants. Shit. Okay. So, you know, it's a good thing that I don't sweat so bad, because I can easily like just use something like this and be good. Alright, gang, so Niggas is done in Walmart. You spent $100 in Walmart getting some shit that I needed. Oh Lord, the cost of living is crazy. Cause I really didn't even get shit, but shit that I really needed. Like I said, it was a hygiene re-up, my nigga. So, like underwear, clothes, not clothes, but underwear, freaking t-shirts, socks. And really, the only thing that was like out of pocket was my my mother-in-law's freaking stuff that she needed for the house. Seeing the cost of living, but I'm about to go pick up these tacos. I gotta check what the fuck is in my bank account first of all. But yeah, I'm finna go pick up these tacos, and I will catch y'all when I get back there. Alright, gang. So back at the crib, ate good, bro. Tacos is freaking good, bro. We got it from this little Mexicano spot over by our crib, but yeah, or over by my partner's crib. But yeah, that shit was good, bro. Shoot, I think that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I could low-key show y'all what I ended up getting from Walmart. So first, feel me? Y'all see me pick this up, you feel me? This little joker right here. Old Spice, I think it's timber with sandalwood. I needed some more body wash for when I'm over my girl's house. And yeah, this shit smells so good, it took the cake. What? Yeah, I got this joker right here. I just need some more deodorant in general. You feel me? This is also Old Spice. This is brown sugar plus cocoa butter scent. You feel me? Something nice, you know what I'm saying? Nice, calm, cool, collective, you know. And it's got 0 aluminum. Oh my god. Tees, you feel me? They look dark as fucking here. But yeah, underwear and tees. I know a lot of people be wearing Hanes and shit, and I still wear them. I still wear the Hanes t-shirts, but these are, to me, is good quality too. You know what I'm saying? Got a 6-pack. I think these are like, what, $15? Yeah. And then, obviously, had to get the drawers. I hope all of you young men and young women out there are doing that. Every 6 months, make sure you go and buy yourself a new pair of drawers and bras or whatever it is you wear. Restock. Don't wear the same shit over and over again. And feel me? Bam. Socks. Always get all black socks. I don't wear no other color but black. But yeah, that's it, gang. You got anything else you want to say? Besides
I ain't know cut that shit out.
Yeah, man, I can't. This shit look retarded, bro. Like, I hate the way this look without the lens. This is crazy. Like, it's so zoomed in. Alright, gang. There you are. We gonna see y'all. Well, I might see y'all tomorrow. Alright, gang. So, I just got back home from work. Excuse me, bro. I look like a bum. I look crazy as hell. I look tired. That's because right now I am all 3 of those. You feel me? I'm tired, but it's 11 o'clock. Like I said, I just got done working overtime. What you finna tell them? Yeah, man. But y'all, look at how cute this is. Look at how cute this is, bro. Peep the details, bro. Like, I really love like handmade gifts because it shows that you actually put, you know, some thought and some effort into the gift. I really do. I enjoy those type of gifts too, bruh. Like, this was so cute. This is also an example of if they wanted to, they would. Okay? Just remember that. Literally no excuse. My girl literally put together a whole little birthday present thing for me and spent hours on it. That is the first real present that I got for my birthday in a long time. Well, I wouldn't say that. I don't even remember what I got for my birthday. But usually for my birthday, I'm the one buying myself the gifts. You feel me? And it feels good to come home to stuff like that. You feel me? But yeah, man. Tomorrow, running back again. Gotta be at work once again at 7 a.m. It's what? 12 o'clock. Damn near. You feel me? My birthday over with now. Tomorrow I'm going to get my nose pierced. I'm going to get a haircut. Can't wait to show y'all the results of that. You feel me? And then yeah, just to reviving the rest of the day. Of course I gotta go to work first, but you know I get off at 3. So why you crying, little crybaby? Why you crying? Yeah. Here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I would show Leah, but you know she be acting like she don't want to be on the camera with a bonnet on. Alright, y'all. Here go the results of the haircut. Forgot to show y'all.
I just smacked his head.
But yeah, ooh, y'all see I got the slit too? Yeah. But I'm scared though. I'm better get a whole piercing. I'm scared. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Hey, can I help you?
You did.
Gang, fam. So we back on the cam, you feel me? I left my cam at the crib. So, but I got most of the, you know what I'm saying, footage on my phone. I'm pretty sure y'all seen that before y'all seeing this. But this is the result, man. I was so worried about cutting my hair, you feel me? But I'm glad, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad that I did it so I can start over. Because honestly, my dreads was so unhealthy, bro. It was about that time. But don't worry, they're going to be back, folk. But I'm going to grow it out for a little bit. Try some different styles. You know what I'm saying? Do braids, twists, things of that sort. And, yeah. Oh, yeah, y'all. Also got my nose pierced. Yeah. I was so worried about that, too. My scary ass finally got it done. But, yeah, fam. You feel me? I'm loving the new look. Got a little eyebrow slit, you know what I'm saying? I feel good. Finally starting to get that manly image. Starting to look like Eric, you feel me? You feel me? And I'm really fucking with it. But, you know what I'm saying? Who knows me, because my mind changed like the fucking seasons, you feel me? Well, my mind changed like Chicago weather. So, hey, you know what I'm saying? But I do my dreads away, so I can't even reattach them motherfuckers. That's it. It's a wrap. I ain't got no choice but to regrow it now. I did that shit on purpose. Cause knowing me, if I still had them, I was gonna be like, yeah, give me my shit back. But, you know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all fucking with it, you feel me? Let me know. Rated 1 through 10 in the comments. It's gonna be our go-to look. Feel me? I might do another slit on the other side. I'm not sure. I'm kind of fucking with this one slit though. Yeah, I'm fucking with that. But yeah, man. Tomorrow we got some more shit to do. We gotta go get some drip. We gotta go get some clothes because we gotta prepare. You know what I'm saying? The festivities start tomorrow. And crazy to say, I still don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna be getting fucked up either way. So hey, happy birthday to me. Tap the table.
For your birthday too, because we missed it.
Well, Joe first did something.
Ow, my foot. 20. Do that now. You got it. You don't know a lot of wins. Step back. Let me give you something to breathe about. I'm going too slow.
YouTube, man. What's going on, bro? What's up, baby?
Hey, I'm fixing my pen.
Bro, yesterday, we had fun. Would you agree? Yeah, yesterday was so fun, bro. I'm gonna add some, well, I'm pretty sure y'all seen that shit. Added some clips in there and stuff from yesterday, but yo, yesterday was a ball. We gathered with some family and friends and drunk, played some board games, all that shit. Yeah, so you know, it was a good time. It was a good time, man. Now we are about to head to Leah's house so that she can do something for her mom real quick, and then after that we are about to head to my grandma's, I guess, so we can watch Hamilton. Watch Hamilton, order some food, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so that is on the agenda today. I think I don't know, man. Yeah. Oh, let me grab my shoes. Don't walk on the carpet with your shoes on, baby.
I didn't.
Yeah. You trying to be a vlog? You want to be my cameraman?
Dang, it's blurry. How I get it?
It's going focus automatically. You gotta be, something's gotta be in front of the camera, bro.
I was in front of the camera.
You?
Yeah, dickhead.
No, you didn't just call me dickhead.
Dickhead. Head of dick.
Shut the f.
Yeah, look at him. He take forever to walk out the door.
Man,
when I say I'm ready.
We both.
Look,
bro, you just.
He gotta turn the TV off.
Anyway.
My goodness.
Anyway.
Get y'all a
Can you
minute.
close my. Oh, I'll do it.
You do it. Let me grab me a snack.
Why is you trying to grab a snack? Point the camera up. You know what I'm saying? Gotta switch up your style. Can't be the same. You feel me? Yeah.
From here.
That's all. You know what I'm saying? You at the beach. What you doing, little bud? Like collecting all the rocks. Put them in the bucket and play with them. Great sensory.
Okay, we got sunscreen.
But why are you standing there looking like that, bro? I got the whole food. It's sick, bro. So fun. I can't even see. I really hope that this isn't damaging my nose or nothing like that, but say hey. Shake hand. Hey, Jay. I'm too worried about this bucket right now. There you go. Again.
Hey, I'm cooking. That's what I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
What?
What are you cooking?
Dinner. Dinner I'm cooking rice.
Right, but what are you cooking?
Rice.
That's it?
Yeah, that's a big. Move, move, move. I don't want to
Run, kiddo.
look at me.
Ooh. What are you making, Abby?
Rice. 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 And
Alright, well, I'll catch up. Well, I'll catch back up with y'all because my battery finna die and shit. My extra battery is in the car, and I don't feel like walking all the way back over there to go get them. So, yeah. I'll catch back up with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. I forgot all about my vlog. Oh my god.
You told me I was the cameraman. You lied to me.
Nigga, who said you was the cameraman?
Oh, here.
Who? Alright, y'all, so I forgot all about my vlog. So that's it. It's the end of a beach day. So now I don't know what we're finna do next. But just know it's about to go down because it's not over with yet. Yeah. So I'll catch y'all when we get done cleaning up and shit. Camera ready as fuck, yeah. I'll catch up with y'all when we get done cleaning up.